Let's open this item. I bought you this. The other one we bought was so good that I thought I would get the latest update to that. And this is the latest update. Klopfy. Klopfy Shiatsu massage. Or massager. So let's just open this. Easy. So this is the latest Donnerberg. I'm going to connect it and test it just to see how it is. Now, this is quite wider in this pad part and the front. So it has a lower part which actually does the tapping. Let's just turn it on.
Oh!
Is it painful? Let's just go for tapping.
Yeah, it should be a bit high, shouldn't it? Oh my goodness! Oh, that's
Is it bad?
No, it's not. It's like that. Didn't have chocolate on upside down?
Probably.
Chocolate.
Yeah. I think it's upside down. See how it feels.
You turn it on like this.
Now that's the massage,
That's
but we want
nice.
that it go for tapping you.
Oh, yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Really? It's not painful or anything?
Oh, yeah. Oh my God, that's nice. Yeah.
Oh.
You got like a pair of thumbs sticking in too.
Oh. That's the next one I will get you. There is another one which has actually hands as if. That's the latest design. Later I will get.
This is nice.
So that is practically doing this tapping or clapping. It's not painful, is it?
No.
In any way.
No, it's
Also,
not.
it's rotates. The top part is rotating
Yeah,
at the same
it's
time.
nice. It's It's quite nice actually. It's very heavy, so you need to hold it. It won't
Yeah,
sit.
but if you put it for your knees or thighs or back, that doesn't need any
that
support.
will be
And you can
fine.
adjust the pressure by just
Yeah.
pulling it or just leaving it, just it does
You
its
can,
job.
yeah.
So that's my gift for you, darling. Enjoy.